A lot of the collaborative work startup dev teams do is within the issue management platform. Whether it's linear, GitHub Issues, or Jira, not to mention all the discussions in Slack. These platforms are where product managers describe new features, where you prioritize tasks, and most importantly, where the work is delegated between team members. Within issue management platforms, you can use Fine in 3 ways. 1. Get guidance. 2. Ask a question. 3. Delegate an issue for AI to code. All you have to do is comment with the relevant / command. Comment / guideme to get a brief on how to approach a task you've been given with a step-by-step breakdown. Comment / ask, followed by your question, to get a specific answer, such as, who has previously worked on this file? Or, where can I find the relevant code? Comment / code and Fine will start implementing by creating a plan and turning it into code, sending you a PR to review once it's done. In addition, adding the Fine label to an issue will call Fine and trigger the agent to begin implementing, just like commenting / code. So if you're going through issues and dividing them up, it's as easy to assign to Fine as it is any other team member. When Fine begins an implementation task from your issue management platform, you're able to click through to the web interface to view the progress, continue the conversation, and run the code in the sandbox environment. In the next video, we'll talk about how Fine can help with your PR review process.